what do you hope that the report could lead to?
Well, I hope that the report would lead to partly a conceptual support, that it offers conceptual support for the municipalities to see welfare crime as a collective concept that consists of very different crimes that can then also look differently in different operations of the municipalities, and in this way also be able to tackle the work effectively in the future. I also hope that this report would function as a practical support with concrete working methods that municipalities have shared and that other municipalities can be inspired by. But I also hope that this report would lead to perhaps a deeper discussion and a reflection of deeper questions about the municipality's work and identity, and ask the questions of how we are working today and why are we working in this way, given the changes in society and the challenging aspects of municipalities' important role for its citizens. How can we work differently to meet these challenges? And I hope that this report would raise these questions and trigger discussions so the municipalities can continue their very important work in this matter.
Very interesting and very important. Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Cecilia.
Thank you.